Hi guys, I just wanted to make a quick video just to show you a WEB-SDR that's been set up using a Raspberry Pi by Danie ZS1OSS Sierra ZS1OSS. And the easiest way to find it firstly is in Google, just type ZS1OSS. It's down here, OpenWebRX. If you click on here, and he must have set up a few radio antennas connecting up to his Raspberry Pi. And it starts off, if you open it up, you'll see on the right hand side here there's different bands that you can choose from. So there's our local repeaters, although I'm not sure anyone's going to be on there. There's digital, so at the moment it's set to DMR, so if I click on here, there I can hear DMRs coming through. If I go down to 2 meter voice, okay, you can see no one's on the repeaters right now, but normally busy during the day. Digital, let's reduce the volume a little bit. There's packets coming through, but also I think you can actually get the oh, here it is, our local little beacon. I don't know if it's coming through quite, or if it's quite in tune. You can see it there. There you go. So that's even our little beacon. Yeah, so it's just something to explore and enjoy. Okay guys, 73 from ZS1CDG.